12 AI video generators, 1 viral test. We gave each platform the same 2 prompts. A cinematic chase scene with shaky cam and motion blur.
Second, a wild viral challenge. A golden retriever in sunglasses skateboarding through neon lit. Cyberpunk streets being chased by cats in a glowing LED toy Jeep. We tested text to video, image to video, and more. No paid plans, no tricks. This is the definitive 2025 ranking of the best free AI video generators. Let's go. Thakur 12. Genmo. Genmo doesn't look like much at first, but it's hiding a secret weapon. It's the only free generator that can handle lightning, plasma arcs, trailing smoke, and Harry Potter-style spellcasting. You get 30 generations per a month. The quality is low, sure, but most of the effects are motion blurred anyway, so it still looks good in motion. Don't expect clean characters, but if you need magic, energy beams, or cinematic bursts, Genmo is surprisingly clutch.
Good evening. This is Vidden's News, reporting live from the eye of the storm. Today's top story? A promising video generator that doesn't quite live up to the hype. While Vidden's offers text to video, image to video, talking photo animations, and even dance generators, the talking photo truly delivers, with unlimited 20-second clips. The dancing video generator is just okay, but its full video generator? Let's just say, the only thing more broken than the generator is this umbrella for meme content or fun social avatars. Vidden's is worth a look. Reporting from beneath the lightning, this is your anchor in the storm, signing off.
This just in, Vidnaz now lets you make music videos, kind of. With 15 music styles, basic lip sync avatars, and an option to upload your own singer image, it almost delivers. But beneath the surface, the resolution is grainy, the video clips loop like a broken record, and that watermark, unmissable. Still, it does one thing well, talking photo animations, with crisp quality and no limits. If you strip the stems and leave just vocals, you might trick the system into better sync. So yes, Vidnaz has range, but it's like a Swiss Army knife made of plastic. Good for memes, avatars, and lip sync tests. Not so good for cinematic bangers. From the edge of AI mediocrity, this is your anchor in the storm, reporting live from the uncanny valley. Music video clips.
10. Quen Chat. Quen's video button is easy to access, but it's slow and unpredictable. Some generations look great, others fall apart completely. You're not getting a watermark, but you're also not guaranteed usable footage. Think of Quen as a coin toss. It might shine, or it might glitch. Meta AI. Meta is fast, like scary fast. You'll get 4 5-second videos in under 30 seconds. But there's a catch. The frame rate is painfully low. To make it look smooth, you'll need flow frames to interpolate frames, or use video proc to upscale the output. Oh, and it does have a watermark, useful with some editing elbow grease. Google VEO2 via YouTube app. VEO2 hides in the YouTube mobile app under the plus button far left. You pick a style, generate an image, and animate it into a 5-second clip. The quality is low and you can't prompt what happens, but there's a trick. Watch carefully in this video to see how to download without a watermark. Not a powerhouse, but a solid stealth tool. 7. WAN 2.1. WAN 2.1 gives you text-to-video, image-to-video, frame control, and sound effects, all from one dashboard. You can generate 9 clips per day, and it does include a watermark, but it nails pacing, has good motion blur, and the sound effects add punch. If you disable inspiration mode, great for gritty cinematic clips on a budget. StepFun. StepFun is fast and now supports text-to-video and image-to-video. Text clips run 8 seconds, image clips run 5. And the golden retriever cyberpunk chase? StepFun crushed it. Smooth action, clean motion blur, great pacing. If you want speed and style, StepFun delivers. Number 5. Hunyuan, 10 cent. Hunyuan gives you 15 free generations per day, supports text, image, lip sync, dance, and even HD plus 2K video. But to access it, you need a VPN locked to Hong Kong the entire session. Our first 2 chase scene tests failed, but all of our other generations ranged from okay to great, especially the dance videos, which were standout. It is also great at most car scenes. When it works hard. Diggin AI. Diggin only supports image to video, and it limits you to 5 videos per day. It completely failed both action prompts. But here's the twist. Diggin is the only free generator that allows NSFW content, and if you're doing stylized, calm, or surreal scenes, it works really well. Just download instantly after rendering to avoid the watermark by right-clicking and hitting Save Video As. Don't use it for chaos, use it for style. Three, AIFreeVideo.com, 100% free and unlimited. AI Free Video runs on Hailuo's engine, but doesn't require a login. You get text to video, image to video, consistent character handling, and a built-in image generator. It takes about 15 minutes per render, and you'll need to refresh the page to check progress. But the results? Sharp, cinematic, and watermark free. For accessibility and power, this is your go-to all-rounder. Number 2. HailuoAIFree.com, 100% free and unlimited. Hailuo gives you the same features. Text to video, image to video, and subject reference, plus the frame extender, which lets you stretch clips past their default length. It doesn't have the built-in image generator like AI Free Video, but the rendering is slightly more stable. The retriever chase was smooth. The angel descent was theatrical. No watermark, clean controls, pro results. 1. Dreamina. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to Dreamina. Here's how to unlock it. Use a VPN set to India, sign up for free and unlimited use, then switch the VPN off to use the tools. Now for the good, Dreamina's lip sync avatar generation is the best available right now. It's fast, it's expressive, and it leaves the competition in the dust. The bad? Full video generation is glitchy, morph-heavy, and still hallucinates. We also didn't have access to their new seaweed model, and many other users reported the same. But when used correctly, Dreamina dominates for lip sync, avatars, and stylized talking scenes. It's not a movie generator, but it's the best at what it does. What you need to do to get this as free and unlimited is to sign up with a new account using a VPN out of India. Once in, it'll say you don't have access. Go turn off your VPN. Or switch to US and you'll get free and unlimited access. 12 platforms, 1 viral dog chase. From chaotic cyberpunk skateboarding to smooth cinematic dramas, there's a free AI video tool for every creator. Check the description for links, tips, and bonus prompts. And since you made it this far, I'm going to mention one more that I couldn't put on the list because it is not completely free. Dzine AI gives you free and unlimited WAN 2.1 generations with the purchase of any plan without any watermark. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more real-world AI tool reviews. No hype, just honest tests.